Biafra Liberation Army and Nigeria Army is under big war as we are talking right now. No be small thing o. They say Nigeria Army don carry their fighter jet enter inside the territory where Biafra Army dey. They throw the bomb everywhere. No be small thing. As we dey talk now, everywhere they run kitikiti and they run katakata. Make we go find out how this thing take happen. Hello my wonderful people. Welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today is the first time we come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. Let's jump into the matter what we get for hand today. They say that the Biafra Liberation Army is currently under battle with the Nigeria Army as we are speaking right now. No be small thing o. They say the gbegbo where they go on right now, the fighter jet, and as they talk, so many men of them don't fall down. No be they say more than 10 people don't fall down as we are talking right now. So let's go and play the video for you to hear it by yourself. May no be like say that we dey talk am. Stay tuned and watch the video before we come back and continue.
Good morning, children of light. Good morning, Biafrans all over the world, supporters of freedom. Good morning. This very morning, the darkness, the enemies, and the children of darkness have come to try the light. And they are beginning to fall anyway. The war started 12 minutes ago. I just want to update you this morning. Stay tuned. Why we are sending them to hell? Because they have come that they may die in the land of Biafra. We are without fear in the face of our enemies. So this morning I've come to update the children of light that the darkness can never, will never, shall never comprehend light. It doesn't matter how many they are. If they come in million, they will die in million. They come in thousand, they will die in thousand. They come in 100, they will die in 100. These people did not know that we are fully prepared. They don't know that we have come to take what is rightfully belongs to us. So stay tuned. I will come back later in the day to update you what conspired in Osumo, in Olu himself. They have come and they have collecting the price, the market, and they must buy and go back awaiting them buy. So far, so good. We don't give them and they have collecting. So let's see how today will be. More than 10 is already on the ground. More than 10. You can hear the sound of their fighter jet. But nothing mega. Now we get the ground. Now we own here. And they are not matched to us. They are not matched to us. We are greater than them 100 times. And we are stronger than them 100 times. 100%. We are greater than them 100%. And we are stronger than them 100%. In this land of our ancestors, we go nowhere. So let them come as many as they like. They will die as many as the ground wish to suck blood today. Stay tuned. Morning once again from the land of Biafra, the rising sun. The war has just begun. Oh, Chukwu Kikabiyama, the God of Biafrans, he never sleep. He is always awake, watching over his children. The world will know who sent us. The world will know that we do not come on our own, that there is a God that sent us, and that God is called Chukwu Okike Abiyama, the God of thunder and lightning, the God of creator or creation, the God that created heaven and earth, the God of our forefather. The world will know indeed that he know they sleep, that he own everything, and at the end, the world will know that he's mighty. He's a warrior. Allow me to sing this song. What a mighty God we serve. What a mighty God we serve. Heaven and earth is the honor. Even the world know this. What a mighty God we serve. Look at the time I came on air. It was exactly 8:12. 12 minutes after 8 a.m. I came on earth to announce. It was the new people that said, definitely, it was the new people that said. It was old people. Hope. I don't like when you come, when you send children to come and face men. Hope, thunder will fire you. Send men to come, not children. You send children to come and fight men. And they will just come within a twinkle of an hour. It's not even up to 1 hour. If not up to 1 hour, they have already running away. Their juju no carry. Hope, their juju no carry. It dey vex me when you send children to come and fight men. It dey vex me. Your juju no carry. Gather the whole money in this war to make talk less of our hand.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As I've watched that video, we are here to update you of what this Biafra Liberation Army is saying this morning that is happening in Osumoho, where the camp is, and that Nigeria Army have been trying so long to enter inside that place, but they could not. And even despite they have data filter, but they can't enter there. No be smart, you know. We are here to update you. I beg, may you share this video and also leave your contribution. Anything where you got to tell them, may you still tell them for the comment section. They are watching, and we are also here to bring you update of anything where they happen. Don't forget to follow our page and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for being here with us as they heard this morning. Okay, my people, may you try to share the video so that other people will know what they go on. Thank you so much for watching.